Hi, well, I'm here today to do some deviled strawberries for your game day, your Valentine's Day, any day, but February is the month of strawberries. So we are going to make a great fast make and take in the cool and serve. So the great thing about the cool and serve is you have these inserts that go in the freezer and you can put them in this way. And you could make a dip or an icebox cake on top of here, and you could keep that cold, or you can use your included trays and make a nice veggie tray, meat tray, nice charcuterie, and everything will stay nice and secure as you take it along with you. So if you're traveling for your big game tomorrow, this is perfect. You can put your dips in here and they're not going anywhere. But the really, really cool part is this also flips over and it's a deviled egg tray. And that is the side that we're going to use. So we're not doing deviled eggs, but we are going to use it to keep our strawberries from moving all over the place. So that way I don't have to cut little slivers in the back or do any little fancy ganaches, nothing like that. I can just pop them right in there and they're not going anywhere. I can fill them right in this tray. So, how I cut these, super easy. I've got my little Pampered Chef paring knife. Now, I didn't take the tops off of them. I just washed them and I fluffed them up a little bit. And then I just sliced right down the middle. And then you're going to want to haul out this middle a little bit. So you can do a little melon baller, but I just used our Pampered Chef plastic measuring spoons, and I just have the little half teaspoon here, and I just scooped. Real easy. You don't even need to scoop out a lot, just a little bit. So we will finish these ones. I mean, it's super easy, super quick. And this set is really nice because they actually snap together, the handles. Now these two are, but they will actually snap together in your drawer so they'll stay together so you don't have to actually search for them. So it's a really nice little convenience set. This one's in there. And I do have a little extra here. That's okay. We'll put them in my little bowl. Alright. So now these are all hauled and ready. So now we're going to make a homemade whipped cream in 30 seconds. This whipped cream maker is amazing. Super easy. It's easy to put together. It's easy to clean. So you have a cap for the bottom. You have your dispenser cap, your barrel. This is your plunger. It has a little stopper. So this pumps and spins. It's a paddle. It has, if you can see inside of there, it does have a little stopper that goes inside of this bottom lid here. And then we have our decorator and dispenser star. Okay? So when you put this together, it's really easy. You just put this and make sure it's popped all the way down inside of there. And now, you want to make sure you know the difference between the top and the bottom of this. The triangle needs to go on the top. Okay. And now to make this whipped topping that we're going to make, this whipped cream, we are going to put heavy whipping cream inside here to the fill line. So you don't even need to get a measuring cup out. This is your measuring cup. You are good to go. So you'll be able to see it on yours, but there's a little fill line right here. You just want to make sure you're filled up to there. And now this is a very special whipped topping, whipped cream. We're going to use vanilla pudding. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Now with our paddle all the way up here, I'm going to secure this lid. Okay, and then your triangles should line up. So that's why make sure that at the top, make sure that there's a triangle up there, because then your lid is going to have a triangle, and then they should line up. So then we're just going to pump this. And if you want it a little thicker, you can keep pumping it. If it's good after 30 seconds, you're good to go. So I don't know if you can see. There you go. But it's thickening up, and it's thickening up so nice, and it's getting kind of tough to pull. And that's kind of what I want, because I want it to be really nice and stabilized. So I am going to push this down and then pull the plunger all the way up, okay? Look how delicious that looks. And 30 seconds. So now, to dispense and decorate, let's pop off the bottom here. And pop out this lid. Thread that on. And you're going to slowly push down and push the air out. Now, if you make this ahead and you want to save it, there is another lid that goes on top of this. You can pull this paddle up all the way and take this off and put this lid on top, and you can save it in the refrigerator. And then when you are ready, you leave the plunger pulled up and push it and put it on, and then you'll slowly push down and release the air. So now you're going to push and you're going to turn until you can kind of see it. See how it's kind of coming out and there's less air. And now we can fill. Oops. And this is going to make roughly about 2 cups. So that is your deviled strawberry. Now I'm going to drizzle it a little bit. That one not a lot. It's a little hot in here, and this caramel is sitting here. Okay? So nice, easy, quick, travels well. You can put chocolate on them. You can dust them with some gold dust sand. You can make them pink. You can put some sprinkles on top of them. You can decorate them pretty much however you would like. And then the great thing is these will be perfectly fine sitting out for 4 to 6 hours in the cool and serve. So you can travel with them and leave them for your gathering, sitting right on the table for all of your guests to see your beautiful work for 4 to 6 hours because of these great inserts. So when we have multiple sizes in the cool and serve collection, so there is a cool and serve for your every need. And let me tell you, you need them. So, any questions, anything you want to know about the cool and serve, any other questions about things that you could do with these, let me know for sure. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And I hope that you enjoy this and give it a try for your game day, your Valentine's, or just your strawberry season, because that's coming up fast. So, happy game day.